Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you with an organization tip for you, and it is how I store my batteries. You guys remember these? These are little pencil cases, and you can get these really cheap after school sales. And the most I've ever paid for one is $1 at the Dollar Tree, but usually I get these for about 5 to 10 cents. So I stock up. Plus, when my kids are at the end of the year, they bring these back home, and I just wash them out and keep them and reuse them. So this, I think, is one just from Walmart, and this I hold just batteries. So I've got AA. I've got some more AA over here, but underneath is all AAA. Got some more AA. I've got, I think these are C's, if I'm not mistaken. This is, I forget what kind that is. And then I've got, this don't belong here. And then I got some of these. Of course, this is all I've got in the household because we go through batteries, so I do need to buy some more. I found a really good deal on batteries at the 99-cent store. That's what these are from, and they work very well. So I am planning on stocking up. I do, however, have another container of batteries like this. It may be half the size of this, I'm not sure, in my first aid or emergency flashlight kit. So I did pull that out, and I re-put all new batteries in all my flashlights in case of a storm or emergency. And I did put an extra set of batteries for each flashlight. So, but yeah, you can use. So I've got another one here that's empty that I plan on putting batteries in, and yeah, and you can even save containers like this. This is ice cream. I store stuff in containers that food came in. I really like it. I think I am going to switch this up, though, and put something else in here. But, yeah, guys, I hope this gives you guys some ideas on how to organize, stock up on some batteries. You can get them from anywhere. Watch a sale. Once a sale hits, stock it up. And I hope this will help you from not spending money and already using something that you already have at home to store and organize your stuff with. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Bye.